my dear students. Today we will study about Baba Amdev. Do you know who is Baba Amdev? Baba Amdev was a social activist and worked for the leprosy patient. What was his full name? His full name was Muralidhar Devidas Amdev. Muralidhar Devidas Amdev, short form he called Baba Amdev. He born in the year of 26th December 1914. He born and he died 9th December 2008 at the age of 93. 26th December 1914 he born and died 9th February 2008 at the age of 93. His father's name was Devidas Amdev and mother name was Lakshmi Bai Amdev. And what was his wife name? His wife name was Sadhana Amdev and he has two sons. They are Prakash Amdev and Vikas Amdev. He has done various things for the citizens of India, so that the government of India also acknowledged him, giving various prestigious awards like Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Magsaysay Award, Charitable Award and Honorary Award, Human Rights Award, many other. Let me see one by one. In the year of 1971, he received Padma Shri from the Honorable President of India, and 1988 he received Padma Vibhushan from the President of India, and he has received International Human Rights Award in the year of 1988, and he also received Ambedkar Award in the year of 1999, and lastly in 1999 he received Gandhi Peace Prize. So he has received, I have mentioned only very few important awards and recognition. He has received more than 50 hundreds of awards, and he is known as the modern Gandhi. Now he is known as another name of is Baba Amdev, known as our modern Gandhi. Now we shall go detail and study few more things about Baba Amdev. Baba Amdev, he born 26 December 1914, already I have told you. His father name was Devidas Damdev and mother name was Lakshmi Das Amdev. His father was a strict officer. He was working in the British District Administration and Revenue Administration. He born and brought up in a Brahmin Jagir family. So that is why he has all the privileges. He has own money. He never faced the problem of poverty, and he has his family is a well-reputed family in that society, and father is respected by everyone. So in childhood onwards, he gets whatever he likes. One of the example we can say in his college studies, at the age of 18, the father was given as a birthday gift a sports car. As Baba Amdev likes every day a red color, he likes, he fond of red color. So a red color sports car is given to him, Baba Amdev, his father. And one other thing we can understand, the cover of the car, it is made with the Pandar scheme. So that is why with this small example we can understand that what kind of luxurious life Baba Amdev was leading. So one of the incident happened in his life. One day just he was driving on the road. Suddenly he saw something laying on the roadside. Just he thought that it may be something, branches of stick or any other things. But he noticed, carefully listened again. Then he just come out of the vehicle and he just see, and he could understand that that was a human being. And he was a leprosy patient and he was about to die. Usually Baba Amdev never help a person and he is not showing sympathy towards anybody. But anyway, when his subcontent or inner mind, just he thought a affection that just I have to help him. Baba Amdev carried him and taken to the hospital and made all the necessary arrangements, and he started to treat Baba Amdev, and he was a leprosy patient. But what to do? What happened? Unfortunately, the Tulsi Ram has died. So Baba Amdev thought about, he became so sad. That day onwards, he started thinking about, I want to do something against the people of our country. There are many leprosy patients who are dying. So Baba Amdev, he has taken a decision in his mind. He thought that and he said that I will do, I must leave. I must leave and work for the leprosy patient. That was the decision he has taken. Baba Amdev was so sad after the demise of Tulsi Ram. So Baba Amdev started studying about leprosy disease. He has read many textbooks, many books he has read, and he has collected knowledge about that. And later he has started a small leprosy clinic. And once Baba Amdev said that I can live without my finger, but I cannot live without leaving a self-respect. And he likes to treat the person. And thereafter he thought that in our world, a country, there are many leprosy patients are there. There is nobody taken or where are many people are dying in the roadside. Then he thinks that I want to make something. I want to make a building or hospital for them. So that is why he requested the government and he has taken up 450 acres of barren land. Barren land is empty land, not fertile land, which is nobody using, which was left empty like a desert. So this 450 acres of land he has taken from that government, and there he was planning to start a refugee cum leprosorium, a big hospital, and with all the facilities, everything in that, everything, whatever things need a leprosy patient, everything should be available. That is why he has to planning. So that is why afterwards what happened, he has given a name for his dreamful project. The name was Anandvan. The place he has given the name Anandvan, it was the meaning of that forest of bliss. So he asked all the people to come forward, and all the leprosy patients stand together, bricks by bricks, layer by layer, day by day. Slowly they have started to make the hospital. So year by year what happened, this entire 450 acres of land, they have made many things. First they have made the hospital, thereafter they have made the school, then they have made the college, then they have made for the factory, thereafter they have made vegetable plant, then they made a workshop, then they made a training centers, thereafter they made a beautiful kitchen, then they made a dairy, and thereafter afterwards they have made a farm, and all the things they have made in this 450 acres of land without anybody of help from outside. All the people of leprosy patient and their determination and their faithfulness only we can see in this Anandvan. So that happened. So what happened once Baba Amdev said that we have made everything need, whatever need a human being there. Only 3 things just we are going outside and buying. These are which are the 3 things. Baba Amdev once said that except sugar, salt, petrol. These 3 things only just we are buying from the market. Other than that, everything we are making in this. So how it is possible, he said, each and every person, every leprosy patient, they have contributed for the development of this Anandvan. And lastly, that Baba Amdev said that in his comment, works builds, charity destroy. He said, work build, charity destroy. Thank you, my dear students. All of you read the textbooks and study the word meaning and do the question answer on your notebooks. Thank you for listening to me.